So once you know you are allergic to dust mite and your immune system is fighting something that usually harmless, getting you having rhinitis or asthma, we need to put a barrier. The first thing is a barrier between you and the mattress. So it's a woven fabric with very small pores that prevents the dust mite to reach you. Together with this, we need an environment that is as dry as possible, because the dust mite absorbs humidity from the air, and we need to keep all toys and books closed, stored if possible, either in cupboards or in boxes with a lid, not to get dusty when you or your children are not home. Pets are allowed. It's good for them not to be in the bedroom because the dust mite feeds on organic matter, both from humans and from pets.